Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're running out of space or simply want to clean up your Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the easy steps to delete files using the Google Drive mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the Files tab. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the file you want to delete. Once you locate the file, tap on the three vertical dots next to it. From the menu that appears, tap on Remove. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Move to Trash to complete the deletion. Thanks for watching. Deleting files on Google Drive is quick and simple. For more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!